Hello and welcome to Broadway at the beach. As per the usual, I'm visiting Broadway at the beach to update everybody on the construction status right over there, behind that blue, teal, whatever color that wall is over there. Let's go get a closer look and see if they've done anything since the last time we have visited. Looks like no one is mining gems today. A little cold for that. As you can tell, it is an overcast, mildly drizzling day here in Myrtle Beach. Not as nice as we're accustomed to. I'm just going to go ahead and make a plug right here. If you haven't seen it yet, I have a video reviewing The Simpsons 4D experience. So check out the channel's playlist and check out that review. It's, spoiler alert, not that positive. So if you're thinking about attending The Simpsons 4D experience, you might want to check that review out first to see if it's your kind of thing. Okay, so on the other side of this wall is coming soon the Key West Village and a restaurant / music venue called the Hangout. Now, I don't need to point out the fact that we're in the middle of a pandemic, so it's not surprising that the last few times I came to update you guys on this construction status, nothing had changed. So let's walk over to this bridge, take a peek around the wall, and see if any progress has been made. Oh, sad trombone. It appears nothing has changed. Dirt, weeds, small plants, and some concrete structures way back there in the distance. Nothing. I have noticed that they extended the wooden wall all the way around the perimeter, so you don't have that sight of a vacant lot as you drive around the Broadway at the Beach loop. Let's just sneak past the old IMAX / Big D Theater and look over here. So, usually this is where I remind everybody that straight ahead of us was the Butterfly Pavilion, or, as you may know it, as Magi Quest. Movie theater back there. And to the left, there was the Dragon's Lair mini golf. So, still just a empty lot full of weeds and water and rubble. And a Twisted Tea down there on the ground. The infamous Twisted Tea. That's about it, everybody. Not much to report on, except for a very quiet, very cold Broadway at the beach. So this is where I sign off by saying, stay safe, stay healthy, and take it easy.